Oh, yeah, my face. Oh. Hey. Hello. Oh, man. Wait. One alone. My face. Oh. Where my face? Oh, my face.
Then I'm organized that will be held responsible. Because I told them in the meeting that it was not sure that
media, Papa. That's why I'm getting camera media. Okay, I'm about to the from Ward 52, Spencer, the Swiss Islamini, media, Kumbavuta News.
Sekuboshwa thina ke manje uhulumeni ucupile ngalento bafuna
hayi akuza belungu la
ngabona belungu mina nje sincediseni bafowethu
Senze order.
ba-addresswa
cela nje
phela ngithi nikhulume nama-organizer khuluma nama-commander
akhulumi noma ubani
okay
bangabona imembe abihambisa moto lapho zobuyele emuva oyibina kahle
no siyacela
You
mna
understand? Just trying to say.
All right. Cut on us, hi. I see.
What you are asking Stella nje only one van or two van so that sizokwazi ukwenza ukuthi
No, I think it's about this communication from you.
Yeah.
If it's something that's anything, then it will come to us.
okay thank you
now it's just for that speaker to tell people what is
And allow speaker.
khona uzo hand over i-memorandum ney'khalo zethu nama-owner asemafemini ile ndawo esisayinele
balole kule nto eniyenzayo nto uzophuma esandleni
C'est le plus support. Quand on a ça compagnie, quand on a compagnie. Abasamaya batho ba abasa shebe ba rengela mesebetsi ba nketse le small businesses everything